This surge in cases doesn't just have families rethinking their Thanksgiving plans. Tulsa groups that typically host big traditional dinners, they're also making changes. News Channel 8's James King is live now with how and what they're doing to make sure that people don't go hungry safely. James?
That's right, Kim. The surge is forcing many places that would normally feed those in need on the holiday to alter their plans, but they're trying to do it safely. Now, with a need larger than any years in the years past, they're determined to get it done.
Historic Vernon AME Church has been hard at work feeding those who need it during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Since March 18th, we've been able to provide over 211,000 meals.
But this Thanksgiving, a holiday built completely around food, they won't be able to open their dining room like in years past. Instead, they'll be handing out food at the doors.
Hunger doesn't take a day off, right? And so they were hungry on Wednesday before Thanksgiving, and they're going to be hungry on Thanksgiving. So they need to eat.
Turner believes the church will serve 400 meals on Thanksgiving Day at the doors and by taking meals to those who won't be able to travel.
We still have yet to receive a grant for this feeding program. It's really just all God.
At the Salvation Army, Major Mark Harwell says they're facing a lot of the same challenges. For their annual Thanksgiving dinner, they've had drastic scale backs.
Typically, we can accommodate about 100 people plus another 15 or 20 volunteers in our dining room to help with serving our Thanksgiving dinner. And so this year, the number is cut just about in half.
Harwell said last year they served over 900 meals on Turkey Day, and they're ready for even more this year.
We're geared up to go beyond that this year. And of course, with our social distancing measures, we anticipate that we'll be serving for a longer period of time than normal.
Vernon AME and the Salvation Army are hoping to make sure that anyone who isn't able to have a Thanksgiving Day meal will have somewhere to go and get one.
Now, both places will be taking donations through this week ahead of next week's holiday. Their goal to feed, but to do it safely. Reporting live from Lookout Mountain, James King, News Channel 8.